Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to block spam calls on Android. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right, and you just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version, and make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So let's get started. So guys, you can block individual numbers. If you receive spam calls from the same number repeatedly, you can block the number on your Android phones. To do this, open the phone app, long press the number you want to block and tap block. Here you can see I have this number and I long press that number, and here you can see block. Now this will prevent calls and messages from the number from reaching your phone. You can simply block that number. So hope you guys like my video. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.